Have you ever received a message that says, "Hi girl, what's up? How's your day going? I just thought that you might be interested in this. Book a call with me here." I'm sure you have. All of us, we have had those cold, sleazy DMs. So, at the beginning, I was getting a little upset. I was getting, why these people treat me like a wallet? Why these people want money from me? I don't want to work with you. Even if I need your services, that is not the right way to do it. And truth is that I didn't even know how to do it, but I really blocked those people. And if I go on my spam folder now, if you go in your spam folder now, you will see how many people are still DMing you that way. So today I want to share with you how you can slide into your potential clients' DMs without being sleazy so you can get more sales. And if you don't know me, my name is Monica Valero, as you can see, and I'm a business coach and clinical hypnotherapist, and I help change makers with the right strategies specific for their business, organic and authentic strategies, and also all the healing that we all need to do in order to reach to the next level in our business, in our life. So through my work, I can see a ripple effect in the world. Click the button subscribe and the bell so you get notified every time I come out with a new video for you to level up in your business. First of all, let's talk about attraction marketing. What is it? I hear a lot of people telling me, well, Monica, I don't want to DM people. I don't want to message them. I want them to come to me. Sure, I want that too, and it's totally possible, but there's always a way of outreach that you can do in order to get more clients, and especially when you don't have clients knocking in your door every day. So if you have that, this video is not for you. But if you want more clients, and especially qualified clients, you want to watch this until the end. Attraction marketing is not writing a post on your Facebook group or page and with a link and hoping that people will book a call or buy your program. Whether it's $100 or $27 or $3,000, it doesn't work that way. Maybe back in 2012, 2014, that was easier. I didn't start my business back then. I wish I did. Actually, I don't, because I'm okay with the connection and the things that I'm doing now, but things have changed. People got smarter. Even just doing a webinar or doing a challenge or boot camp or whatever, and just do a sales pitch. People don't want that anymore. Why would I waste my time in watching this stuff? Maybe I can learn a couple of things, but if this is revolved around you, I don't want to hear it. I want to know what's in it for me. So attraction marketing is not just putting your link out there and hoping that people will buy. Attraction marketing is creating something that people will need and want so that they can come to you. But you can also go to them and create a connection so it's much more powerful. So let's start with the don'ts first. What not to do. Do not spam people. And I know that this goes without saying, but I have to say it again because I receive messages that are spam every day. So do not cold outreach just with a sales pitch. Does it make sense? And I'm gonna write it. Number one, do not spam people. Meaning, hey girl, you know, this is what I'm doing. I think you will be interested in this. If you're interested, here's the link. I don't even go to see what the link is about because you haven't created a connection with me. And that takes me to number two, do not treat people like a wallet. And I'll tell you also what to do in a second. And I understand that because I'm gonna raise my hand. I have cold messaged people before saying, book a call, this is my program, this is my challenge, this is my thing. Because I didn't know how to do it. And if you are brave enough, you're gonna share it in the comments right now. Have you ever done that? And that's totally normal. That's why I wanna say something at the end of this video to wrap it up. Because I really got triggered with time by people saying the same thing to me, right? But I was the first one who did it also. So it became just like creating a conversation, who's gonna make the pitch first? And I got tired of that. I don't wanna do that and I don't want you to do that. I really want you to connect with the right people, your potential client, whether or not they're gonna become clients now, maybe in the future, but creating that type of relationship. So do not see that person like a wallet. You're not there to sell them. You're there to provide them value, right? And through the value that you're providing, then they're gonna convert into clients. And maybe you're thinking, oh, I don't see people as wallets. Well, when we have a business, we actually need money, because otherwise, if we don't make money in our business, we don't have a business. So we need to make money to call it business. Need, want, desire, whatever you want to say. And so in order to have a business, you need to make sales. In order to make sales in an easier way is the direct DMs. But provide value instead of treating people. So do not treat people like a wallet. Then, something that used to trigger me a lot, and now I just have fun with people who slide into my DMs saying, hi, how's your day going? So when I have time, because I don't have a lot of time, I'm a mom, I'm a wife, I have a business to run. So when I have time, I just play. And I communicate with these people who are telling me, because I know they're going to pitch me like very soon. I know they don't want to create the relationship. I know they're just gonna be like a couple of sentences and then boom. So what they do is they see you in some kind of Facebook groups. They go into your page, they like, they heart all of your posts, they ask you for the friend request or on Instagram as well. And then they slide into your DMs saying, hi, I love your content. How's your weekend going? I love your energy. Or they're asking a question, what are you doing for the 4th of July? Or Merry Christmas, what are your plans for 2022 or 23? Okay, first of all, I got no time to reply to this, right? But now I just like reverse the conversation and I see, and I just pitch back to them sometimes, just for fun to see what they say. But that it's really a waste of time. But I also understand now as a business coach, I can help these people because that is not the right average. And depending on what you do, you can convert those people into your own clients or just ghost them, because that's what we do, because we don't want to waste time. So really avoid small talk. When you're sliding into somebody's DMs, they know that you want something. And maybe you have something that they truly crave, need, and desire, but it has to be done authentically and in a way that is elegant. And I'm going to show you how in a second. So, number 3, avoid small talk. Do not say, hi, what's up? How you doing? What's your goal for this year? Who cares? Why do you care what my goal is? Who are you, first of all? I don't know you. Tell me something about what you've seen about me through my content. Why do we relate to each other, right? What is different about you? Connect with me at a different level, right? So avoid small talk. That doesn't mean that you're not gonna say, how are you doing? Of course, but be honest with your intentions and be genuinely curious about who you have in front of you, who you have in front of your screen. And that takes me to the do's. Number 1, very important, especially when we talk about attraction marketing, is through magnetic content. So creating content that your ideal client avatar, granted that you need to know who your ideal client avatar is, and if you don't know, watch a video up here to figure that out. But your content needs to create some buzz, to grab the attention to the person who needs your services. So, magnetic content, and through that, you're like, okay, what does it have to do with sliding into people's DMs? Everything. Because people who are interacting with your content, whether they're commenting, whether they're liking, they're giving you the permission for you to connect with them. Then they are free, of course, not to not respond to you, but most likely, if you're coming from a place of service, which takes me to the next point as well, but from a place of connecting, most likely they will respond to you because you're there for them, you're not there for yourself. So through magnetic content, you're solving a problem, you're taking them from A to B. And I don't agree with, this saying that says, oh, do not give away everything that you know through your free content. things are very, like, I don't think it's possible that you will give away everything through a post, through a reel, through a video. I have so much to say, I have so much knowledge, so much experience about what I'm teaching to you, that even like it's impossible for me to teach everything in 15 minutes, 10 minutes, half hour, even 1 hour video, right? And that's why I have my signature program. Same for you. You can't teach everything. You cannot give the transformation to your clients with a post. But can you solve a little problem for them today? Can you make them feel better about their specific situation that you are the expert to solve? Can you light up a situation that they are blocked, confused about? Can you take them to the next level, to the next little step actually, in their business, in their life, in their love life, in their fitness, whatever is it that you are solving? Because once you do that, people see you as the expert and your content becomes magnetic. And through that, you definitely are even more allowed to slide into their DMs, and I'm gonna thank you for that because you're the solution to their problems. Comment below if this is making sense to you. Number 2, super duper ultra important that you do your own research about the person that you're about to reach out to. So many times I see people's, and I'm not giving you the examples because I'm gonna keep it private, super private, but I have at least 2 or 3 DMs every day. Facebook, Instagram, even TikTok now. Now that I started YouTube, I receive emails of people who don't do their own research on me. So why would I be interested about making my own research on you? They are offering me the things that I am teaching. Like people asking me, hey, do you want to, hey girl, or hey love, hello, I'm not your sister, I'm not your mother, I'm not your daughter, I'm not your friend. Who are you, first of all? I have a name. Or just keep the name, it's fine. Like I get very sensitive because it's like a cookie cutter. I don't know who's teaching that. But do not get in my space. You need to earn to be my space. Like I need to earn being your space. I will never tell you, hey love, or hi beautiful. If I know you, yes. Or I believe that you're a beautiful soul, you're watching this, I believe that everyone is beautiful. But from a genuine point of view. I hope this makes sense. Like I can tell you beautiful if we had a conversation, or if I saw your picture the other day, oh my gosh, you're like really beautiful, you know? Well, you can sense when somebody says that in an authentic way. Not because it's like copy and paste, because I have to change the name of this person now. Oh my goodness, too much work. Completely different. So I receive messages every day of people wanting to sell me, get clients so we can get from 10 to 20K every month. Hello, I'm teaching that, I've done that. Can you please check my, you just have to do one click once, and you see what I do, okay? So why wouldn't you do that? So I don't respond to those people, of course. I only respond to those people who, when I have time, could help eventually, you know? So number 2, again, do your own research. And this not only will give you a heads up on that person, maybe you have something in common, right? You're both into yoga, and you can share, even if you're not selling yoga, right? If you're not a yogi or teaching that, it's something that maybe changed your life, or maybe that you've tried for a little bit. It's something that you can talk about. You can open a conversation on that, and that person is more open to talk to you, to chat with you. Because the truth is, when we slide into people's DMs, we message people, people know that they have to put up a self-defense mechanism, right? Because there are so many people out there, if we are not careful, you know, they can scam us, so we just have to lower the barrier, because we are not there to scam people. We are there just to help them with our open arms and say, hey, you know, I'm really interested in what you're doing. I think that I have something important because you share that you want help with this, and I would love to have a conversation with you and to see if we're a fit. And if we are not, that's totally fine too. So when you come from a place of service, which takes me to the third point, service versus selling, that it's a game changer. So, serving versus selling. I hope you can read my handwriting here. But with this said, very important, super important, that I want to share with you all today. When you receive those messages, try to have some compassion, because we all have done that and we didn't know what we didn't know. And once you come from a place of compassion and understanding that people are not out there to get you, they're out there to offer their services, but they don't know any better, then when your perspective shifts, and that's when you also feel less intimidated in reaching out to your potential clients, because we all make mistakes, nobody's perfect, and it's all a matter of practice. And the more you practice authentic communication and really true connection, that's when you are going to build up a following of people that truly want to work with you and be around you, because they resonate with the things that you're saying. Anyway, I hope that this was helpful. Give me a thumbs up and a comment. I would love to know. I love when I receive comments. And if you have any questions, of course, I'm here to support you. And I'll see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.